This is a review of LumaFlow fan at the same time light. It has 3 speeds, LED plus fan. It has 10 levels of color temperature and 10 levels brightness. 2-in-1 ceiling fan with lights. Let's open the box. Let's see what we have. Here is the fan. And we have the remote controller right here. If you want to install it on the wall, you can use this. And here is the user manual. Let's go ahead and test it out. I will go ahead and put it over there and test it, how it's gonna work. Let's go ahead and pair the remote controller. You're just gonna press and hold 10 seconds. Now we paired it. Let's see. Let me introduce you to remote controller. When you press on this, it's gonna turn on the light. If you press it one more time, and it's gonna turn it off. This one is for the fan. Let's turn it off and turn on the lights, and we can change the temperature. Or you can manually change it from here. And you can change the brightness, increase. Or you can dim it. This is for the timer. If you press one time, it's gonna be 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, it's gonna shut down. And this is for the airflow. It's 20%, 50%, 100%. Let's turn it off. This is a timer for the fan. Every press is gonna be 30 minutes. If you press it 2 times, it's gonna cancel. Now it's canceled. 1 time, 30 minutes. If you press it 2 times, it's canceled. Yep. I can recommend this product because it has a fan. You can tilt it wherever you want.